everybody, welcome back to the channel. Bob, hope to see you again. Back to the bus build. So, today what I want to do is we were thinking for some upper cabinets. Can't be too big, not much room. So what I decided to do is take these wooden crates and put them up there. What I do, I cut the back corner. So these will actually sit up here and the top will be cut. I've already taken two and put them together just so I could see what I had. And I cut the back corner off of them. And that's so that I could go right up to where I needed to and they fit perfect. And if I really need to, I could actually take the top boards off to make it taller. I didn't even think of that. But I've talked to Robin about that. Never mind this other one you see. That's me playing around right now. Trying to make something work that I don't know if it is or not. Because I'm trying to make enough to go all the way across and take up that whole gap. So this is what we got. So like this will be up here. Get you out of the way. Get you over there. This is gonna sit up here like this. And I tested it yesterday with some plastic cups. And I put them in there and they stayed. And then Robin's like, will they stay when we're driving? I'm like, yeah. She goes, even with your driving? And I'm like, yes, they'll stay. So, let's see. I don't want to mess this up because I might have to put it back on there. Now I can take this, move it up to the edge like I need to. Put that right on that edge. Put that right on that edge. It's all done. We got it in here. You ain't gonna see the sticker. So if I do this and bring it over. This one, do the same exact thing. Okay, now, hopefully, this will give me a little leeway down here so when I do the panel, and look at that. Look at that. I like it. I like it. I don't know. That one. And after I put a piece of panel up in that right here in that wall to cover up them holes, I'll be able to run the bread into there too. But see if you can see it. So yeah, goes all the way across. In the microwave that we did the other day, solid, going nowhere. But I am gonna do a little fabricating to it. The front bolts, I'm gonna run a chain from there up into the ceiling. Run that chain up in there for safety reasons. All right, get one of the ones I cut off and put here. And then I'm going to make one that goes from one end to the other end. And it's got to be 53 1/4. So let's go tear this up. Put this board up, front to back, attached it here to the end, here. And it made that solid because this one's attached from the top and the bottom on both sides. So we don't have to worry about that moving. And I actually took this one and attached it to this wall. Stable as could be. But anyways, so I did this for stability. In the process, I had ran a wire for a single light over here, and I questioned myself whether I was going to do it because of where it was. Well, I had a little light, and I was like, you know what? Put it on there, and it's aimed right at the countertop, so it'll cover the countertop only. You don't have to turn the overhead lights on. You could turn just this light on to do the countertop. As far as over here goes, the chains, this is just stability extra, because this board is so solid to, it's attached under here to the header board and on the back.
What about the
into the wall?
What about the microwave? Is that attached to that at all? Are you gonna run a strap? Because one big bounce and that thing's coming off.
I'm gonna take, and it's probably good. I'm probably gonna take like a bungee cord and hook it here, run it over, hook it here, just for transport. That way it doesn't bounce off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next one. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked the video.